Today I'm going to show you how to solve the whole Rubik's Cube step by step. Shuffle the whole Rubik's Cube. The first step is I have to make Daisy. Let's get started. Daisy is done. Now we have to match the same edge piece with the same center piece. Now the oranges match. Now we have to turn this 2 times. 1, 2. It went down, right? Now same to the another piece. Look, this is mapped. Now again, 1, 2. It went down, both of them. This is also matched. So again, 1, 2. 3 went down. Now the last one is the blue. Let's take it down. 1, 2. Okay. White cross is done. With the same edge piece and the center piece matched. Now we have to see the white corner pieces like this. Let's see what's the color of this corner piece. Oh, red and blue. Now let's take it to red and blue. Okay, red here, blue here. Red here, blue here. Okay, red here, blue here. White. Now is in my right side to white, right? Now let's do algorithm. It's in my right side, so ULDR. Okay, now what's the color of this? Look, orange green. Let's take it to orange and green. It has got, look, orange, green, and white. Now is in my right side again. So again, ULDR. Then came down. Cool. Now let's find another piece. Oh, it's down. So now we have to do 3 times algorithm. ULDR. 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 Okay? Now you have to see the color. Orange and blue. Let's stick to orange and blue. Okay, orange here, blue here. Bite down. Okay. Let's see. Is in my left side. So URDL. URDL. Okay. Now the last one. Check the color. Green and red. Let's take it to green and red. Okay. Green here, red here, and white in my right side. Come on. ULDR. First layer with the same centerpiece.